Today I'm going to give you a tutorial in Photoshop how to open up the Photoshop file with the book cover template, how to import your image and how to save the file. So let's begin. So firstly we're going to go to open and you're going to open the image that you have downloaded from the space page with the template. So double click on there and we're going to go to 8int book cover template. And we're going to open that document. So that shows up on our Photoshop page. So you'll see down the left-hand side there is a tool palette that has all the tools that you may need. And in the center we have our page. We always have the front cover on the front, and because the blurb on the back folds around to the back. So we've got the back cover with the barcode, the spine with the title and author, the front cover image, title, and the author again. On the right-hand side over here, we have our layers palette. If this layers palette isn't open, when you open up Photoshop, just go up to Window and down to Layers. You can see mine is ticked because it's open. So that's where you'll go for the layers palette. Okay, so in the layers palette, I've labeled everything for the layers that you'll need to possibly work on. So we'll start at the top and we have about the story. Now that's telling me what information is typed over here, which is the blurb. To tell you a bit about the story. So if I turn that off, you can't see it and it's hidden. And if there's layers that you don't want to be seen, you can turn them off and just keep them there rather than delete them. I've got my front cover title, which is there, my front cover author, my spine, the barcode on the back cover, and the image, which I have already put in there. And then we have the background. So when you see those grey and white squares in the background, that's just telling you that it's transparent. So I just turn that on to make it a bit cleaner. Okay, so we have that. Now the next thing I want you to do is to save this document with your name. So you go File, Save As, and then you put your name on the end of the document and you'll save that in one of your folders. So, and when this window comes up, just go, okay, you don't need to change that at all. Okay, so these aqua lines that come down here, or cyan lines, they're just telling me that these are the guidelines to show me where the spine is and where the edges of the book is. That's as simple as that. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is we will be opening up the other document.